Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to code using AI with Claude, step by step. Whether you're a beginner who doesn't know how to code yet, or a developer who wants to build faster, Claude can help you write code, debug errors, explain logic, and even build full projects. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to generate code, fix bugs, build projects, and automate programming tasks with AI in 2026. Let's get started. First of all, access Claude AI. Open your browser and go to claude.com, right, or AI, and you can use it through web interface, API, access AI coding platforms that integrate Claude, and create an account or log in. Okay, once you're inside, you will see a chat interface where you can interact with AI using prompts. This is where you will start coding. Now, step 2, ask Claude to write a code. Claude works best when you give clear and detailed prompts. So here's an example. Write a simple Python program that creates calculator for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? You're gonna add this prompt here, okay, and run it. Claude will generate the code instantly. Example output might include clean structure, comments explaining the code, working logic. This makes it great for both learning and development. Step 3, generate code for different languages. Claude supports many programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS, PHP, Java, C++, or C++, SQL. Here's an example prompt. Create a responsive landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for startup website, right? You can put the prompt here. Claude will generate the full structure. You can then copy the code into your editor. Step 4, use Claude with a code editor. To actually run the code, use a development environment such as Visual Studio Code or Replit. Okay? The basic workflow should be generate a code with Claude, copy the code, paste it into your editor, run or test the program. This combination is powerful for fast development. Step 5, debug errors using Claude. One of the most beautiful features is debugging. If your code has an error, copy the error message, paste it into Claude, ask for a fix. Okay? Example. Okay. Here is, yeah, I think here's, yeah. Or you could just type here. Here is my Python code and the error message. Can you fix the bug and explain what went wrong? Claude will identify the error, suggest corrections, explain the issue clearly. So this is extremely helpful for beginners. Step 6, ask Claude to explain code. If you're learning programming, Claude can break down complex code. Here's an example. You can tell Claude, explain this JavaScript function step by step like I'm a beginner. Okay, and put that into Claude. Claude will describe variables, functions, logic flow, output. This helps you learn while building projects. Step 7, build full project with Claude. You can also ask Claude to create complete project structures. Here's an example. Create simple to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay? So create a simple to-do list web app, or create a simple to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Claude might generate HTML structure, CSS styling, JavaScript functionality. You can then improve it step by step. Step 8, use iterative development. The best workflow with AI coding is iteration. Here's an example. Ask Claude to build a basic version, test the code, ask Claude to add features. Here's an example. Add the dark mode toggle to this website, optimize this Python script for performance, convert this JavaScript code into TypeScript. Over time, your project becomes more advanced. Step 9, use Claude for documentation. Claude can also generate documentation. Okay? Example prompt, write the documentation for this API in simple language, right? This can create README files, set of instructions, code explanations, perfect for open source projects or team collaboration. You can also automate coding tasks. Claude can automate repetitive development tasks. Here's an example. You can generate boilerplate code, convert code between languages, create test cases, optimize algorithms. As an example, you can tell AI, or you can tell Claude, generate unit tests for this Python function. This speeds up development significantly. Okay, now to get the best results, be specific with prompts, provide context for your project, test generated code before using it in production, ask for explanations if something is unclear, iterate and improve code step by step. AI is powerful, but human verification is still essential. Avoid asking vague prompts, copying code without understanding it, ignoring error messages, skipping testing, not iterating on the general or in the generated code. Avoiding these mistakes will make your coding workflow smoother. Okay. Describe your coding goal to Claude. Just to wrap this up, generate the initial code, run it in a code editor, fix errors with Claude's help, add new features step by step, document the project. This process lets beginners build projects much faster. Using Claude for coding in 2026 is one of the fastest ways to build software, learn programming, and prototype ideas. Instead of spending hours searching for solutions online, you can collaborate with AI to write, debug, and optimize code in real time. Whether you're creating websites, automation scripts, or full applications, Claude can significantly speed up your development workflow. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you. Hello everyone.